This 2022 Keystone Montana High Country 385BR is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 40 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 10, microwave, TV, oven, water heater, external shower, DVD player, awning, leveling jacks, skylight, auxiliary battery, and 87 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Keystone Montana High Country 385BR is 13,418 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.